Welcome to MyKidReports. In this video, we'll walk you through the staff scheduling feature designed to simplify managing your staff schedules at childcare centers. Let's dive in. Navigate to the Staff Schedule tab in your dashboard. Here, you'll see a weekly view of staff members along with their schedule statuses. If no schedule is added, the blank space will display Add Schedule. To begin scheduling, click the plus button next to a staff member's name. This will open the scheduling editor. In the scheduling editor, you can set the staff member's working days, start and end times, and optional room assignments. Simply toggle the day switch to scheduled for the desired days. Enter the start time and end time for each day. You can also select an optional room from the drop-down to assign the staff member to a specific area. To add breaks, click Add Break. Enter the start and end times for the break, and check the paid break option if applicable. Break times will automatically reflect in the total hours calculated for the staff schedule. Once all the details are added, review the schedule and click Save Schedule. You can also choose to notify the staff member about their schedule by checking the Message Schedule to Named box. If you want to reuse a schedule from a previous week, click on Copy Schedule from another week at the top right corner. Select the desired week, and the schedule will be copied over, saving you time. Navigate to the staff home page. Scroll down to the My Schedule for Today section, where you'll see the current day's schedule. Click on View this week's schedule to explore weekly schedules. View Weekly Schedule. The weekly schedule provides an overview of all assigned work hours. Each day displays scheduled hours, assigned room, additional details like start and end times. Total scheduled hours for the week are shown at the bottom of the screen. Receive schedule notifications. Staff receive schedule notifications directly in their Messages section. Open the message to view. Weekly schedule details. Confirmation from the center. Additional instructions or clarifications, if any. Confirm and clarify, review your schedule and reply via the Messages section if you have questions or need clarification. The staff scheduling feature in MyKidReports is designed to make managing staff schedules easier and more efficient. From setting working hours to adding breaks and notifying staff, it's all seamless and intuitive. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore more features, visit MyKidReports.com or schedule a demo today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.